This activity placemat is called Represent That Numeral, and it's just what it is. A FAIR model with a bit of adaptations for manipulatives and just place value. So, as always, you can be making 3-digit numerals with your students, so let's go ahead and 342. Of course, write the word out, 342. And we want to make sure students understand both place value and manipulatives, right? And so for manipulatives, I can say 2 units, 4 rods, or 3 flats. Over here on this side, I can actually go ahead and just draw what those place values are. Now for these, there isn't just one answer. We know we could have 342 units and be equivalent to 342 this way, but it's just one of those activities to give your kids a bit of more experience with it.